Good morning, students. Today's topic is surface active agents or surfactants. Now, what are surface active agents? Molecules and ions that are adsorbed at interfaces are termed as surface active agents or surfactants. Okay, these are the molecules which are adsorbed at the interface. Okay, surfactants have two distinct functional groups in their chemical structure. You can see the chemical structure. Here it consists of the two functional groups, one of which is water liking group, that is called as hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water liking. And the other group is lipid liking or called as lipophilic. So it consists of two functional groups. One is hydrophilic and other is lipophilic. These molecules are referred to as amphiphile. Okay. Here in the diagram you can see its hydrophilic segment, that is head, and the tail is hydrophobic. Okay, that is the tail is hydrophobic and head is hydrophilic. When such molecules is placed in air water or oil water system, means when surfactants are placed in the air water system or oil water system, the polar groups are oriented towards the water. Polar groups are oriented towards the water and the non-polar groups are oriented towards the air or oil. Means always the polar groups of the surfactants are oriented towards the water phase and its non-polar groups are oriented towards the oil phase or air. You can see in the diagram here the polar groups oriented in towards the water and non-polar groups are oriented towards the oil or air phase. Now, principle. When surfactants are dissolved in water, they can reduce surface tension by replacing some of the water molecules in the surface so that the forces of attraction between the surfactant and water molecules are less than those between water molecules themselves. Hence, the contraction force is reduced. Okay, means when surfactants are dissolved in water, then they replace some of the molecules of the water and the attraction between the surfactant and water molecules are less, are reduced. Okay, than those of attraction forces between the water molecules. So contraction is reduced. Now, classification of surface active agents. Surface active agents are classified into the different categories like non-ionic surfactants, anionic surfactants, cationic surfactants, ampholytic surfactants. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Now, first one is anionic surfactants. These are the most common type of surfactants. It contains organic tail with negative charge head and small positive molecule like ammonium. This consists of soaps of alkali, amines, metals, alkyl sulfates or phosphates, and alkyl sulfonates. They are unpleasant in taste. They are not suitable for internal use due to the irritant action. Okay, means anionic surfactants. The organic tail with negative charge head and small positive molecule. Okay, second category is cationic surfactants. It consists of organic tail with positive charge head and small negative molecule like chloride. Example include quaternary ammonium compounds such as citrimide, benzalkonium chloride and benzethonium chloride. Okay, now third category is non-ionic surfactants. Non-ionic, as the name indicates, they do not ionize in the water because their hydrophilic part consists of non-dissociable molecules. Okay, they are pharmaceutically important. They are compatible with both anionic and cationic surfactants. They are resistant to pH change. Example है इसका glycerol and glyceryl esters. Ampholytic surfactants, they depend upon the pH of the system. Okay, below a certain pH they are cationic, means किसी pH के नीचे वो cationic होते हैं और किसी पीएच के ऊपर वो एनायनिक होते हैं, और कभी कभी वो क्या होते हैं, एट इंटरमीडिएट पीएच दे एक्ट एज अ ज्विटर आयंस। एग्जाम्पल है इसका लेक्टिथिन एंड डोडेकाइल एलानिन। ओके, सर्फेक्टेंट्स के यूजेस हम कहाँ पे करते हैं? कॉस्मेटिक प्रोडक्ट्स में, डिटर्जेंट्स में, फ्लोर क्लीनर्स में, टूथपेस्ट एंड शैम्पूस एटसेट्रा। Now, effect of structure on the surface activity. The surface activity of particular surfactant depends on the balance between its hydrophilic and hydrophobic properties. Okay, means कि कोई भी सरफेस एक्टिविटी है किसी भी सर्फेक्टेंट की, वो डिपेंड करती है उसके बैलेंस में। किसके बैलेंस में? हाइड्रोफिलिक और हाइड्रोफोबिक प्रॉपर्टीज के। ओके, एन इंक्रीज इन द लेंथ ऑफ द हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन ऑफ द सर्फेक्टेंट इंक्रीज द सरफेस एक्टिविटी। मीन्स जब उसकी हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन है, जो हाइड्रोफोबिक चेन है, लिपिड लविंग, जब वो इंक्रीज हो जाती है तो उसकी सरफेस एक्टिविटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है। ओके, एन इंक्रीज इन द लेंथ ऑफ इथाइलिन ऑक्साइड चेन ऑफ नॉन आयनिक सर्फेक्टेंट रिजल्ट्स इन डिक्रीज ऑफ द सरफेस एक्टिविटी। ओके, मीन्स जितनी ज़्यादा लंबी लेंथ होगी उसकी हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन की, उतनी ही उसकी सरफेस एक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होगी। ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, थैंक यू।